Hello everybody. So today I have to finish doing some work on this engine, getting the starter motor installed and putting in a new sump oil filter, as well as finish up the painting that I have to do. I have to paint the tank and the seat pan and the side covers. That's the general plan for today. Enjoy the show. Okay, so I got quite a bit done. I can't really say got quite a bit done today because the initial intro on this video was done a couple of days ago. We had a pretty severe fires up here in Washington, and ordinarily I do my painting outside, and as I begun doing the color coats on the tank and the seat, which you can see in the video clips, ashes from that fire were floating down. So I had to cease that and wet sand everything again and bring it inside so that I could lay down the color, and actually had to get more color because the color cans that I had were malfunctioning, and so it ended up adding a couple of days to the overall initial game plan, but I accomplished it all, and it's drying, and these pieces will actually kind of be set aside out of the way as I move forward, building the bike, you know, installing the engine in the frame, and all the things associated with doing that. And I still have to get the tires installed on the wheels, and I couldn't do that until I got the clear coat on the wheels. And that has now been completed, so I can move forward with that. And so this is my video for today. I hope you liked it. See ya.